Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the boat. And then our next video we're going to be we're going to be going deer hunting by myself, solo. So I want to thank my 82 subscribers. Thank you guys. Can't believe we got it this far. 82. Almost to 100. So with that being said, we are going to get all that crap out of here. We're still pumping the gas out of here. It's going really slow. As you guys see, we got one pump, two pumps, and they're all hand pumps. So it's going slow. We are getting there, but I'd like to know how much gas is in here. See if this will work. So right there's bottom. According to this, there's no gas in here. That's not true. Not true at all. But anyways, we're gonna get that out of here. We'll catch you guys. Alright guys, so we've been out here for about 30 minutes. Already made a big dent into the boat. So are you guys ready to see this? And let's clear some stuff up real quick. We will be posting every Monday like normal. But we are going to be deer hunting here soon. So on Monday is going to be deer hunting. And on Friday is going to be some boat stuff. Some other stuff that we're going to put out throughout the week. Then on the weekends is when I'm going deer hunting. So give you guys a little heads up of what's going on. That way you guys can make sure you guys hit that bell icon. But anyways, we got the foam out. We got this out. We got the other foam out. We got some of the back part out. But this floor is so slippery. I keep sliding. Plus, I don't know where the stringers are. I don't know if these are it. If they are, they don't look like they're very much. So, hopefully we don't have to change them. But if so, who cares? But they look like they're an inch. So, what's an inch gonna do, right? That's what she said. So anyways, we're gonna probably try to take this piece out all the way to the front. Same on this side, all the way to the front. But I wish I had somebody here that I can throw this to and have them put it down, because we're going to reuse it, try to, because it has all the motor mounts on it, and it'll sit in that V right. And they have a hose coming out. I'm assuming it comes from the front all the way to the back. So we're going to improve that, because it looks to me like it's kinked off right there. So we're going to probably put a metal hose or something and put rubber over it. But you guys stay tuned. We're going to get some of this crap out of here. I need to get some of that fiberglass out of here. But you guys leave a comment below. Can we reuse fiberglass? Let me know in the comments below if we can reuse fiberglass. Like that stuff. This stuff we're going to have to, no matter what. So catch you guys all in a minute. Alright guys, so we got all the way up there, pulled out the foam. Now we pumping gas. More like leaking gas, but we're pumping gas. So I'm not going to bore you guys with me pumping gas out because it's really not that interesting. Plus, hopefully we're almost done with the gas because so far I pumped out 5 gallon buckets plus a 6 gallon can of gas. A lot of gas. So I don't know how full it actually is. So we're gonna see. Ignore all them holes up there. Them are for all the haters, so they can escape while they watch us. But anyways, so we're gonna get to it. Get you guys all in a minute. Alright guys, welcome back. So we didn't go nowhere. We still stayed here working. The boat hurt me, so I'm mad at it. But we are making progress. Very good progress. Let's show you what the boat did to me first. It's so slippery under here. I got my Crocs, work boots on, and I just not enough grip for the slippery boat. So that being said, we'll switch over the camera, let you guys see what we got done today. It's probably gonna be it's probably gonna be everything for today because it is 12:30. I need to go jump in the shower because I got whatever this crap is all over me. So here you guys go. Ready? We got the gas tank out by myself, doing what I do best, engineering. But anyways, we got that big gas tank out. As you can tell, it's been leaking for a while because I should have showed you before I took it had a I don't know what you'd call it. Had something right here, go against with the boat. It was right like that. So it was full of like mud. You could see the film of gas all over it. You can see the film right there of gas. So we got from here, basically here, to the back of the boat. Besides for that back end, the floor is completely gutted out. So we're making progress. You guys make sure you guys help us out. Subscribing is free, so go do that. And I'm thinking about getting some t-shirts made. So if you guys want to buy some orange WILDCAT t-shirts, I'm gonna try to get somebody to design what I want it to look like when it's done. That way you guys have a picture of when it's done. So if you guys would like that, go in the comments below and say t-shirts or yes. And if we get enough people to want to buy t-shirts, maybe we can get a couple made and we'll send them out to you guys. Don't know how much they would be because I'm not that kind of person. I don't know. But my Crocs are a little muddy. I'm a little muddy. I smell like gas. So we're going to get out of here. You guys stay tuned. We'll catch you guys all tomorrow. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are back in the boat. Couple days. But I forgot to do something that's very important. So we're going to do it now. We're going to measure from here, from there to there, which is 14.5. I measure both sides same way, all the way up against there. And this one's 16.5, and we got a 6 3/8 space in between that board and this board. So we'll have a board going across. Yeah, board going across, and all the way to back here, which then it looks like it steps down, so we'll have to figure that out later. But I did not measure up here, and we're getting ready to take all that foam out of here, so had to measure that real quick. But as you guys see, it is Friday, so I'm gonna try to do a little bit and then go get this video uploaded. Then you guys want to stay tuned to the next video, because we're going deer hunting solo in the morning in the tree stand, and it's getting a little chilly. I'm out here in shorts and long sleeve, and I should have wore pants instead. But that's my problem. I'll deal with it. But anyways, you guys stay tuned. Try to get some of this crap out of here. You guys enjoy when I get. Alright guys, so we got one side done, right? That's how much crap came out of here. It's a lot of crap. So we gotta do this other side real quick. But I don't have any more trash bags to put this stuff in. I'm full. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Here is the, whatever you want to call that, piece that goes right here, all the way up. That's what she is. So it is what it is. Looks like it's a 2x something. Yeah, 2x probably 10, 2x10. So 2x10. We're gonna need like 2 of them. I don't know how long, because I'm gonna make sure this floor is nice and sturdy. So we're gonna get over to this other side. We'll catch you guys when we're done with. Alright guys, so this is what we got out of both fronts, which is literally 6 foot, maybe all the way up there, 6 foot, both sides. That's a heck of a lot of mess. So now what we need to do is get this centerpiece out. I don't know how that's gonna work out. Doesn't look like me. It probably could stay and we could leave it, but and we might just leave it. But anyways, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna power wash. Oh, we're gonna clean the inside real quick. We're gonna chop back it out. Then we're gonna get the power washer. We're gonna power wash everything out. Get it nice and clean so we can sand it down. So we can do the stringers. Then we are going to, well, back part right there. Right there, the whole piece. But we had to get this mess out of here so we can get that out of there. So it's going to be the end of the video. Watching, and like I said, thanks to my 82 subscribers. Appreciate you guys for helping me out, and we'll catch you guys all on the next one.